Welcome back to the Car Explorer. Today we're taking an incredible journey through the world of ultimate luxury and innovation as we explore the top 5 motorhomes of 2026. One number is Toyota Motorhome 2026. Toyota has blended innovation, comfort, and performance into one futuristic package that's redefining what it means to explore the open road. This isn't just a motorhome. It's a luxury home on wheels built for modern adventurers who demand both technology and toughness. From the first glance, the exterior design of the 2026 Toyota Motorhome is striking and modern. It carries Toyota's latest design philosophy: clean lines, aerodynamic contours, and a bold stance that gives it a premium, futuristic look. The large panoramic windshield provides wide visibility for long drives, while the sleek LED headlights and taillights wrap around the body for a sophisticated touch. The front grille is integrated seamlessly with the body, giving it a smooth and aerodynamic flow. The motorhome sits on large, durable, all-terrain tires that make it ready for any adventure, whether on highways or rugged landscapes. Toyota's engineers have made sure this vehicle is not just stylish but also functional. The power-operated awning, roof-mounted solar panels, and smart entry system add convenience for those long trips off the grid. Step inside, and the interior immediately feels like a 5-star suite. Toyota has created an environment that blends comfort, luxury, and technology in perfect harmony. The cabin is spacious, featuring high-quality materials with soft-touch surfaces, premium leather upholstery, and ambient LED lighting that adjusts to your mood. The large panoramic windows bring in natural light, making the space feel open and inviting. The layout includes a cozy lounge area with a convertible sofa, a full kitchenette equipped with an induction stove, a smart refrigerator, and even an automated coffee maker. The sleeping area features a memory foam bed, climate control, and privacy blinds for ultimate relaxation. The bathroom setup is compact yet functional, with a rain shower, modern fixtures, and water-saving technology. Everything inside is designed with the traveler's convenience in mind, including multiple USB-C charging ports, wireless charging pads, and a 14-inch infotainment touchscreen that controls lighting, climate, and entertainment. When it comes to performance, Toyota didn't hold back. The 2026 motorhome is powered by a hybrid powertrain that combines a 3.5-liter V6 engine with advanced electric motors, delivering an impressive balance of power and efficiency. Together, they produce around 400 horsepower, allowing this large motorhome to move smoothly and effortlessly, even when fully loaded. The hybrid system also provides regenerative energy that charges the onboard batteries, which can then power interior electronics and systems. The motorhome's intelligent all-wheel drive system ensures stable handling on any terrain, while the adaptive suspension offers a smooth ride, whether you're cruising through the city or climbing mountain trails. Toyota's advanced driver assistance features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring.
Number 2 is Rolls-Royce Motorhome 2026. Today we're diving into something truly extraordinary: the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome. This isn't just a motorhome. It's a moving palace designed for those who refuse to compromise on luxury, comfort, or performance, even when traveling across continents. Rolls-Royce has redefined the concept of road travel by merging its world-class craftsmanship with futuristic innovation, and the result is breathtaking. At first glance, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome commands attention like no other vehicle on the road. The exterior design carries the unmistakable DNA of Rolls-Royce: bold, elegant, and timeless. The signature Pantheon grille sits proudly at the front, illuminated by adaptive laser headlights that extend visibility beyond 600 meters. The Spirit of Ecstasy emblem is redesigned in titanium, glowing softly when the vehicle starts. The body lines are sculpted for aerodynamic efficiency, blending luxury with functionality. Massive 24-inch alloy wheels with adaptive air suspension ensure a smooth ride over any terrain. The two-tone paint scheme, finished in handcrafted ceramic coating, gives the motorhome a mirror-like shine that remains spotless even after long drives. Every element, from the flush door handles to the retractable awnings, is designed with precision and grace. Step inside, and the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome welcomes you into an interior that feels more like a luxury penthouse than a vehicle. The cabin is wrapped in the finest materials imaginable: hand-stitched leather from sustainable sources, real walnut and ebony veneers, and crystal accents designed exclusively by British artisans. The lighting system adjusts automatically to your mood using biometric sensors, while the signature Starlight headliner extends throughout the living space, creating a feeling of limitless tranquility. The front cockpit offers the ultimate driving experience with a fully digital interface powered by Rolls-Royce's new Spirit AI assistant. It learns your preferences, adjusts climate zones, and even plans your routes based on weather, scenery, and fuel efficiency. The seats are massage-enabled, ventilated, and have a zero-gravity recline feature for long journeys. The panoramic windshield offers augmented reality navigation, projecting directions seamlessly over the road ahead. Moving toward the rear, the living area redefines luxury travel. There's a plush lounge with rotating recliners. Number 3 is Bugatti Motorhome 2026. This isn't just another RV. It's a bold step into the future of smart travel, sustainability, and comfort on wheels. BYD has truly redefined what a motorhome can be, blending high-end technology, electric innovation, and home-like luxury in a way that sets a new benchmark in the industry. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 BYD Motorhome immediately captures attention with its ultra-modern design. The body features sleek aerodynamic curves crafted from lightweight composite materials to maximize efficiency and range. The LED light strips wrap seamlessly around the vehicle, giving it a futuristic glow both day and night. The front design showcases BYD's signature dynamic grille, flanked by intelligent laser headlights that automatically adjust brightness based on road conditions. The motorhome sits on massive 22-inch alloy wheels with adaptive suspension that adjusts to terrain, ensuring stability whether you're gliding down highways or exploring off-road destinations. On the side, you'll find smart retractable steps, solar-integrated roof panels, and hidden storage compartments that blend perfectly with the smooth, flowing body lines. Everything about this design screams innovation. From the panoramic roof that can tint automatically to the aerodynamic tail section that reduces drag and improves overall performance. Stepping inside feels like walking into a luxury apartment on wheels. The 2026 BYD Motorhome interior is designed around comfort, smart living, and elegance. Premium sustainable leather, soft touch panels, and ambient lighting give the cabin a warm and inviting feel. The main lounge area features a spacious seating arrangement with convertible recliners, a foldable dining table, and large panoramic windows that bring the outside world right to your seat. The advanced smart control system allows you to adjust lighting, temperature, and entertainment with simple voice commands, or through BYD's intuitive touchscreen interface. The motorhome also features a fully equipped kitchenette with induction cooking, an eco-refrigerator, and even an automated coffee maker. In the rear, the master suite provides a full-size bed, a private entertainment screen, and hidden storage compartments. The bathroom design includes a rain shower, eco-friendly water recycling system, and a modern vanity setup that rivals high-end hotels. Every inch of the interior has been optimized to combine practicality with premium luxury. When it comes to performance, the 2026 BYD Motorhome is a game-changer. It runs entirely on BYD's next-generation Blade battery technology, offering exceptional safety, faster charging, and a real-world range of up to 700 kilometers on a full charge. Dual electric motors deliver instant torque, giving this massive motorhome surprising acceleration and smooth, silent performance on every road type. The advanced all-wheel drive system ensures perfect traction on wet, snowy, or rugged surfaces, making it ideal for long adventures. BYD has also integrated regenerative braking technology. Number 4 is Bugatti Motorhome 2026. This isn't just a vehicle. It's a futuristic masterpiece that combines hypercar DNA with the elegance and comfort of a high-end motorhome. Bugatti has always been known for pushing boundaries, and with this model, they've taken innovation, power, and craftsmanship to an entirely new level. From the very first glance, The 2026 Bugatti Motorhome commands attention with its bold and aerodynamic design. The exterior follows Bugatti's signature design philosophy: sleek, sculpted lines with an aggressive yet graceful stance. The massive front grille carries the iconic Bugatti horseshoe shape, seamlessly integrated with adaptive LED matrix headlights that look like the eyes of a beast ready to conquer any terrain. The body is built using ultra-lightweight carbon fiber and titanium, giving it both strength and agility. The paint finish features Bugatti's new ChromaFlux coating, which changes color subtly under different lighting, giving it a futuristic glow as it moves. The side profile is pure art, with retractable aerodynamic flaps, sculpted vents, and a panoramic glass roof that flows smoothly into the rear, creating a perfect blend of elegance and power. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that feels like a private luxury suite on wheels. The interior of the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome is crafted with the finest materials in the world: hand-stitched Italian leather, polished aluminum, crystal accents, and carbon fiber trims that give it a blend of sophistication and sportiness. The ambient lighting is fully customizable, wrapping the cabin in soft hues that adapt to your mood or driving mode. The front cockpit is inspired by Bugatti's hypercars, featuring a digital glass dashboard with an AI-powered interface that responds to voice commands and gestures. The steering wheel features haptic feedback and integrates drive, comfort, and sport modes at the touch of a button. Moving toward the living space, the Bugatti Motorhome brings luxury travel to a new dimension. It features a retractable lounge area with massage recliners, a 75-inch 8K OLED smart display, and a premium sound system tuned by Bang & Olufsen for an immersive experience. The kitchenette is compact, yet ultra-modern, with smart appliances, an induction cooktop, and a voice-controlled coffee machine. The master bedroom features a queen-size floating bed with memory foam, a skylight above for stargazing, and adaptive climate control for perfect comfort. Even the bathroom feels like a high-end spa with a rainfall shower, touchless fixtures, and self-cleaning glass walls. Every inch of the interior reflects Bugatti's obsession with perfection and detail. Under the hood, the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome doesn't compromise on performance. It's powered by a hybrid quad-turbo W16 engine, paired with an advanced electric drive system that together produce an astonishing 1,800 horsepower. This allows the massive motorhome to accelerate from 0 to 100 km/h in just under 4 seconds, something no other luxury RV can match. The advanced all-wheel drive system. Last is Ferrari Bugatti Motorhome 2026. Welcome back to the Car Xplorer, the channel where innovation meets luxury on wheels. Today, we're diving into something truly extraordinary: the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome, a creation that redefines the meaning of performance travel and fuses the soul of a supercar with the comfort of a 5-star hotel on wheels. Ferrari has always been synonymous with speed, elegance, and Italian craftsmanship, but this motorhome takes those values to a completely new dimension. It's not just a vehicle, it's a statement of power, prestige, and futuristic design. The exterior of the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome is unlike anything you've ever seen on the road. It carries the unmistakable Ferrari DNA, with sharp aerodynamic lines, sculpted carbon fiber panels, and a low-slung stance that hints at its racing heritage. The signature Rosso Corsa red paint gleams under the sunlight, accentuated by black carbon trims and a massive rear diffuser that looks straight out of a Formula One pit lane. The LED lighting system features Ferrari's signature daytime running lights, seamlessly integrated into the bodywork for a sleek, futuristic look. Even the side mirrors have been replaced by aerodynamic cameras that reduce drag and provide a 360-degree digital view. The motorhome sits on massive 22-inch alloy wheels with carbon ceramic brakes, making it not just a luxurious cruiser, but a machine capable of handling speed with precision. As you step inside, the interior is a masterpiece of Italian luxury and modern technology. The cabin greets you with hand-stitched leather seats in Ferrari's signature tan and red color combination, complemented by carbon fiber inserts and ambient LED lighting that adjusts to your mood. Every surface feels premium, from the Alcantara roof lining to the brushed aluminum control panels. The driver's cockpit is inspired by Ferrari's latest GT lineup, featuring a fully digital curved display, a race-style steering wheel with integrated drive modes, and a minimalist dashboard that combines performance design with motorhome practicality. Moving to the living space, Ferrari has ensured no compromise between comfort and performance. The motorhome offers a spacious lounge area with reclining seats, a hidden smart TV that rises from the counter, and a panoramic glass roof that brings the outside world in. The kitchen area comes equipped with top-of-the-line Italian appliances, including a compact induction stove, an espresso machine, and even a wine chiller. The bedroom is pure luxury, a queen-sized bed with memory foam, ambient lighting,